how often does the stroke of a pen ignite political fires across nations? In the intricate dance of democracy, the sanctity of fair elections stands as a cornerstone. Yet, when this foundation seems undermined, the tremors are felt far and wide. In a recent bold move, opposition leader Nelson Chamisa penned a poignant letter addressed to the Southern African Development Community, commonly known as Sadc. This wasn't just any correspondence, it was a fervent plea for intervention. Chamisa raised alarms over what he described as the flawed elections of 2023 in Zimbabwe, a scenario he depicted as marred by irregularities and injustices that could potentially delegitimize the electoral process. The significance of Chamisa'S letter transcends its immediate political context. It serves as a litmus test for the effectiveness of regional bodies in safeguarding democratic norms. Moreover, it highlights the ongoing struggle for transparency and fairness in electoral processes in many regions around the world. His call to action was not just a request for observation or mild concern, it was a demand for active engagement and remedial measures from a body designed to foster unity and democratic integrity among its member states. SADC's response to this clarion call was anticipated with bated breath by political analysts and citizens alike. The organization, tasked with promoting sustainable development and economic growth, as well as peace and security within the Southern African region, found itself at a crossroads. The response could either reinforce its commitment to democratic values or expose vulnerabilities in its political influence and resolve. In summary, the dialogue between Chamisa and SADC encapsulates a critical moment for democracy in Southern Africa. Chamisa'S letter did more than just highlight alleged electoral flaws. It challenged SADC to affirm its role as a custodian of democratic principles. The outcome of this interaction may well shape the political landscape of Zimbabwe, and potentially set a precedent for how regional bodies address such critical issues moving forward. As the situation unfolds, the eyes of the world remain keenly fixed on Zimbabwe, awaiting signs of change or confirmation of enduring challenges. The pen indeed proves mightier than the sword, as it continues to write the next chapters of history in real time.